Alright, y'all, I want to show y'all something. The OG hats are back in stock. Back in stock. We got black, we got blue, we got red, and we got the OG suede. The suede. Get you some, they will not last. Matter of fact, let me get myself one. Oh, there it is. Damn, they've been selling. Bro, look at this. They got the labels going now. Okay. I see the labels.
Yo, get that camera out of here, bro.
What are you doing, bro? What are you doing, bro?
Oh my God, bro. Come on.
You always doing something, bro. What's going on?
Bro. Come on, no cameras, please. No cameras.
This is why I came here, to pick up this package. All right, YouTube, I got a big day ahead of me. Tomorrow, me and my wife are going to Dominican Republic. I've been trying to create some content to have in the chamber. I think that's super important to plan ahead and make sure that you have enough content to post so that you can keep the YouTube algorithm working for you. Number one. Number two, I'm going to go get my hair cut today by none other than Yo Fonz. So we're gonna create some content together as well. I'll cut his hair, he'll cut my hair. So look out for those tutorials coming soon. And then I got an unboxing that I'm doing. Got a whole bunch of packages in. So look out for a few really dope unboxings. One of them is that pivot point. So I got a new mannequin. You guys ask me all the time, what's my favorite mannequins? I gotta show you guys my favorite mannequin and why. Gonna be unboxing that, and then GMB Pro sent me a new bag, so I'm gonna unbox that. So we got a busy vlog ahead of us. Nonetheless, man, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, so there's some stuff here that I got. I don't even know what it is, to be honest, but we're gonna check it out. I think while I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox a few things, because I don't know what some of this stuff is. First box. What is this? Oh, look at this. So all the faucets that I got are Moen, because Moen gives you a lifetime warranty. But why did they not this? This is what some of the things you get excited for in your 30s. It's nice though. Let me show you guys the sink that this is going to. Come with me. Oh look. Dining area chandelier. All right, but this is the new vanity. Oh, that looks really good with the black fixtures, the black handles, right? Should have been an interior designer, for real. You guys can see the legs with the flooring. Boy, it's gonna be clean. So this is coming out, new mirror, new vanity. All right, let's continue. What else we got here? Oh. LED strip. Let me show you where this is going. Check this out. I'm telling you, I should have been an interior designer. Look at this, guys. So the bathroom's coming together. This is all marble, rainfall, shower head. They built a niche. You can see they put flooring here. They built a niche right there with more marble. We got the chandelier that's gonna overhang this tub right here. And then you have another niche. And this LED strip is gonna go right here above the niche. And it's a smart LED strip. So I can tell Google to turn it on. I'll tell you what. So that LED strip connects to Wi-Fi and you'll be able to control it with your phone or with Google. That fan can change into an all black one. And then we got another box. LED bulbs. LED bulbs and more. LED bulbs. So I'm on hold with Best Buy because when they delivered my new fridge, this is the new one, everything's gonna be Samsung. It has some scratches and some dings. I still accepted the delivery because I feel like that was gonna be hidden anyways in the pocket, but they called me and they offered me $594 as a gift card for the damages. I'm on the phone with them to get that gift card. This is what the bulbs are for. They're for this chandelier, really nice chandelier, which is gonna replace that chandelier. I don't think I've told you guys this yet, but the plan with this house is to live in it for about no more than 2 years. Live in it no more than 2 years and then rent it out, and it'll be a rental property, and then we'll buy a new house. So that's part of the reason why we're making it look really nice, to bring the value up in the house. And we focus on the master bath, the kitchen, and just little things, little details that don't cost a lot of money. Homeowners would notice and really like and appreciate. So you can get the maximum rent, or if we decide to sell it, that's what we do, we sell it. Check this out, let me show you guys. So also, we're painting. So they were like a old school looking wood, now they're black. They're gonna look really good. It's gonna make the staircase look really nice. That's how anyone can really get started with real estate investing. You take advantage of an owner-occupied loan, which is a lot cheaper, lower interest rate, less money to get started. You don't have to put 25 to 35% down like you would on a rental property. It makes a lot of sense to purchase a home first like this, fix it up, live in it for a year or two, and then rent it out, get a new crib, and do it all over and over again. It's called house house hacking. Something you guys should YouTube, check out. Something barbers need to start doing more often. All right, guys. Now let's unbox Pivot Pro. Bro, I've had this package for over a month and I forgot that I bought this. That's hilarious. We're gonna look at this in a little bit. But this is their mannequin heads. And their mannequins have names. The one I usually get is Cole. You guys can see that, Cole. And let me show you guys the quality. Like compared to other mannequins, it's comical. We're gonna open this thing up. You always wanna shampoo the hair first. Like shampoo the hair first before you start cutting it. But like, look at the face. The face is spooky, bro. The face is spooky. But then the hair is nice and full. If you look at the scalp, like these Amazon ones, you can see through the hair. You can see the scalp because it's not as full. And then if you look at the back, it's got a cowlick. It's got a swirl, right? The ears are not like super in the way if you're trying to cut, but you can also kind of like bend the ears out of the way. So this is, to me, easily the best mannequins that I've tried. And I've tried a bunch. I've tried the other like high-end popular one is like Cut Art or something like that. I can't remember, but I still like this one better. Okay, and the Cole is cheap. It's like 55 bucks or something like that. The hair is not super long. It's long enough to do, you know, block graduation or mullet or a layered haircut if you wanted to, a longer layered haircut. Really good mannequin. I'll put a link in the description below. But you can pretty much just Google Pivot Point. Get you one of these Cole mannequins. They're the top dog. They're fire. I forgot all about this. So I'm gonna open it up and I'll give you guys like a peek of what it is. I don't even know what it is anymore. I ordered this like 2 months ago and forgot all about it. Okay. So is it a book? I probably thought I ordered a DVD. Because if it's just a book, I don't understand why I ordered this. Why did I order this? It's just a, It tells you how to do the haircut, but I still don't understand. I don't know. I can guarantee you I ordered this thing thinking it was like a DVD or something. But nonetheless, I'm gonna check it out, see what I can learn from it. I'll let you guys know later on what I thought about it, what I thought about this thing. All right, now this is probably what you guys been waiting for. This is G&B, new bag they sent me. Bro, this is crazy. Look at this, guys. Hope all is well. I made this bag specially for you. Please see the improved inner trays, new expandable feature for added storage, new laptop storage compartment located on the back of your bag, improved side bottle pockets, your logo throughout, of course, and glow-in-the-dark zippers. I call this model Northern Lights. I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. The Wilkie. Bro, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, bro? Bro. Pros on the go. These are patches. This is floor mats with weights. We call it wind guards. All right, let's pull this bad boy out. Man, the Wilkie, I appreciate it, bro. This is crazy. Guys, it's glow in the dark. All right, check it out, guys. This is the laptop compartment. So that's one thing I really wanted, a compartment for a laptop. You guys know I travel with my MacBook everywhere. Oh man, guys. That's a banger. That's a banger. Come on, man. Stop playing with me. Bruh. Okay. Okay. 245. Bro, this bag is stupid. This bag is the one. Let's open it up real quick. It says storage compartment located in the back of your book bag. Improved side bottle pockets. Improved inner trays. Wait till I show the guys this bag. So this was inside. Looks really, really dope. It looks like it might have fell off. I'm not sure where this was, but it's a patch, 245 patch. It looks great. Ah, I see the tray. So this is the big difference. So these were not in the previous tray that I had, which is perfect, great. I don't have to set this up. It's already there, installed. I can use them right away. This is really, really nice. 245 patch, that thing clean. And then obviously, you got your pockets here. You got your trays, man. Bro, this is so nice. I'm in love. All right, y'all. All right, let's see. It probably won't go in the dark right now, but let's see if it does when we go in the dark room. All right, yeah, you can see it glowing. That is crazy. All right, guys. The unboxing is done. This is easily the best bag I've ever had. Pretty cool. All right, about to show Fonz this one. See what Fonz thinks about it.
You might as well just give me the battery.
See, I see what you're doing there, trying to finesse. I see you.
Got a little turbo. Perfect test.
Into the setting. Your heat, you're cold. Okay.
Powerful.
Fonz, that garbage can is crazy.
Been busy. Sorry.
It feels powerful, you said? Does it have a condenser? The air condenser? Oh, right there. You put this one on there? Look, it got 245 on it. It's glow in the dark. You can put patches there. They gave me a 245 patch too. It's in there.
From who?
G&B Pro. Right there in front of your face. All right, let's see the comparisons.
It's almost the same as far as the size.
Almost the same size, yeah.
This one feels sturdy.
This one has a tray in it that you can, with a shelf,
Yeah.
but you can't take the tray out. For some people, you know, they might not like that. Some people might like the idea. Yeah, it's expandable, yeah. Oh, I didn't even know it was expandable. That's cool. And then this one, you could take the tray out. So it's really like the preference thing, I don't know. All right, guys, I didn't show you guys this when I was unboxing at the crib. We're filming a separate unboxing you're gonna watch later with Fonz.
Yeah,
but
bro.
look, I didn't catch that.
Boom, boom,
That's
boom.
crazy. This is printed on. Damn, that's nice. So you put clippers here. Did you see the other pocket? Look at the other pocket. This is glow in the dark.
Yeah, that's powerful.
Yep, the patch. And look, these trays come out. Or just like that.
This one, bro.
You like that one?
Yeah.
All right, relax. Oh, look, USB for charging. All right, relax, bro. All right, so there it is, guys. The Babyliss book bag, the new Babyliss blow dryer. So if you got some gold FXs, they gonna match. It's plastic, but it's a premium plastic. It's not metal like the gold FXs. Look, I quickly overlooked this, but this is their new magnetic mat. So you can magnetically attach your clippers. All right, guys, we are at a place called Cake Drip. Check out the scenery. So I want to show you guys what kids are doing. Check this out. Oh, you making your own chocolate bar? Look at those toppings. Renzo, what you think, bro? The Prodigy. So what'd you get? You got marshmallows, peanuts, and what's that? What'd you get? Yeah. And of course, Valentina got the most sugary stuff possible. So that's for the kids, but apparently this place turns into an adult spot. What's that? That champagne? Yeah. So this is icing all over the rim. Fonz is really enjoying his. Golly, boy. Send it to me before you forget. All right, look, this is what we got. Pecans, bacon, hot Cheetos with dark chocolate. What'd you get, Fonz? Did you copy me?
No.
What'd you get?
Rice Krispie treats.
Oh, Rice Krispie treats. The texture. You smart. Okay. So my crunchy is the bacon.
I was gonna go with bacon.
It gives it salt too. Yeah. What'd you get, Devonda?
Oh, I got almonds, granola, and marshmallows.
Yeah. What'd you get, babe?
Pecans, sea salt, and caramel. Don't
Yeah.
tell them how to do it.
They already make those candy bars.
milk, the milk chocolate?
Dang, you got milk chocolate?
Yeah.
You are
I know.
cheating.
And y'all are gonna get dark chocolate, and then we get
I thought y'all went to that bar class. Check it out, guys. Check it out. They're not done. This is like a 3-course meal. Look at this. What is that? Those are spoons?
There's chocolate spoons that you can use. This is cinnamon sauce.
You got cheesecake. That's it. That looks good or what, girl? All right, guys. So this is mine. I got hot Cheetos, bacon, and almonds. The almonds kind of seem off. Damn, you smart as hell. You broke up the Cheetos. I didn't break my Cheetos. Ooh, look at this,
We
guys.
gotta take
What's that sauce, babe?
kiwi lime sauce.
Kiwi lime sauce, guys. Renzo, what you doing, bro? My candy bar, guys. So I got a review coming. Ooh, okay, girlfriend.
Willy Wonka.
Willy Wonka,
Magic. What is it? The golden ticket.
the golden ticket. You guys don't do the golden tickets?